Hello, grade 4 peoples. Excited naman mo to learn something new? But before that, we will introduce ourselves first. I am Teacher Ro.
And I'm Teacher Jobber.
So karon adlaw, we will learn about the importance of computer and computing devices. But before that, ato sang ila-ilahon kung unsa ang atong learning goals. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to first, identify the characteristics of computers and computing devices. Second, explain in their own words why computers and computing devices are important in daily life. And lastly, illustrate through a drawing and sentence how one computing device helps them as a student. So, class, kinsa man sa ato ang naay computer sa ilahang balay or nakagamit na og computer. So daghan sa ato, di ba? So unsa gid ang computer class? So ang computer class mo na siya ang electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. So mo gid na ang purpose sa computer class, it's to store data or information nga atong gihimo. And aside from that, ato apod ma-retrieve o malukit kung asa dapit nato na siya gi-save. And also, ma-process or ma-change po nato na kung naatay ganahan i-change. So, as you can see in the picture, ang computer kay naa siya monitor, system unit, a mouse, keyboard, and sometimes naa siya speaker or headset. So, beside computer class, na po siya different computing device such as laptop. So, ang laptops are battery-powered computers that are more portable than desktops, allowing you to use them almost anywhere. So unlike sa computer class, nga dili nimo madala-dala, kaning laptop imo madala bisan asa og ato ang magamit bisan asa. So as you can see in the picture, mo na siya example sa laptop. So next one is tablet and smartphone. So these are handy devices with a touch screen. It can be also used for studying, gaming, browsing the internet, and communication. So, the difference between the two class is that in terms of size, mas gamay gud ang smartphone with screen sizes typically ranging from 4 to 6 inches. Unlike tablet nga larger screens usually between 7 to 12 inches. So, kung functionality po atong basihan, ang smartphones kay equipped siya with cellular capabilities, allowing users to make calls and send text messages. So while tablets typically do not have cellular capabilities, though some models do, and are primarily used for browsing the internet, consuming media, and productivity tasks. So as you can see in the pictures, muna siya example sa tablet o smartphone class.
Now, let's proceed to the importance of computer and computing devices. So first is educational learning. So we can research, read ebooks, and use educational apps. So makatapang ni sa atua sa pag-research, like bisag unsa atong i-research, bisag unsa like magpatabang bata sa Google, mag-research ang assignments, bisag unsa atong research ganahan, like mapatabang bata, like unsa ba atong i-research, bisag unsa, then read ebooks. So you can use in ebooks, and gamit po niya siya sa educational apps like kanang, for example, like Canva, PowerPoint. Makatabang niya sa atong educational learning sa atong pagkat-on sa school. Then communication, so we can send messages, emails, and video calls through the computer and computing devices. Kay maka-send tag mga messages, maka-communicate gyapon ta sa bisag asa, bisag layo ba ta, as long as natay dala na computing devices like cell phones, laptop. So through the messages kay maka-communicate gyapon ta sa atong mga loved ones or mga kailaw or friends. then creativity. So we can draw, design, and write stories or make presentations are more creative. Like we can draw or design, we can draw like maka-drawing ta, and then like we can make stories, then makamake po ng mga presentations na more creative through the help of computer and computing devices. Then work and daily life, so it can use in schools, homes, hospitals, and office. So it can help in schools like through unsay ganahan nato i-search para makatabang sa ato sa pag-eskwela, sa schools, then sa hospitals, kay makatabang pud ang computer and computing devices through like matbalaan ang pila atong bill sa hospitals, or naatay ganahan ma-research about sa like kanang ganahan ta makakaibaw sa dapat buhaton. Then sa office, makakuan po ni sa office like through say like makatabang ni sa atong office, ikan makapadali atong pagtrabaho, like kaya mag-make lang kag kuan basta na ra kay computer devices, we can use apps na makapadali sa imong pagtrabaho. Then home sa atong panimalay homes, like makakuan po ni sa as an entertainment, mag video game, magamit ng mga computing devices, or then makapadali po niya sa atong mga task sa balay.
That's all, and we hope you learned something new today. Thank you and goodbye, grade 4 pupils.